Today on the menu, Inside Out Burgers. Start by adding some ground beef to a large bowl. Then add some salt and some pepper. This is an Inside Out burger, so we're going to add some breadcrumbs. To help bind everything together, add an egg. Knead this together, mixing all the ingredients well. And then we're going to add some onion. Make sure you're using finely chopped onion and mixing it in well. Now it's time to make our patties. To make these all uniform, we're going to use a patty press. But honestly, I usually just like to form these by hand. The trick is to make your patties very thin because we're going to be stacking them on top of each other with cheese in between. So double up the amount of patties you make for how many burgers you want in the end. Now let's add our cheese. The first type of cheese I'm going to use is a brie cheese. Notice how I'm not overloading the patties with cheese? That's because we need enough room to form the top patty around it. And the second type of cheese we're going to use is a classic cheddar cheese. Take one of your patties and place it on top, and then press around the edges and form it into a single cohesive patty. To make sure that you don't have spillage, you're going to want to make sure you knead the edges together. Do this for all your patties, and then we're going to move on to the next step of cooking the patties. Now you could probably just throw these straight onto the grill, but I like to make sure my burgers are completely cooked all the way through, so I like to start them off in the oven. And that's mainly just for these burgers because they are so thick. Bake them at 350 for 20 to 30 minutes. And then they're ready to toss on the grill. And when you're done, you'll have this. Still hungry? Check out my orange chicken recipe.